Hi, what's going on guys? This is Sadiq back again with another video. Today's video is for how to get 100,000 email subscribers leads in a short periods of time. So I really found out a new way that you can generate leads for free. You can also do paid so that you can get it like less time, but mainly you can get 100,000 email leads that can generate you recurring monthly payments for your business. Alright, it doesn't hurt to get more subscribers, right? So I've put some requirements that you would need to get in order to get those 100,000 leads for your business email. So first thing you need, which is obvious, you need a website. Alright, you will need a website. Preferably it would be good if you have a WordPress website, and you will need a hosting plan. For the website, you need to get from wordpress.org, not .com. Alright, because in this video you will need to spend at most $100, because WordPress, they have a plan where you can get, if you go to the wordpress.com, it's not self-hosted, so you'll be needing to spend $300 or $400, which is not good. So I will guide you how to do everything so you can save lots of money. And so the second thing you'll need is hosting plan, which Bluehost is by far the most and the best I've ever seen. I usually used to use GoDaddy back in 5 years ago, but then the last 3 years I've been using Bluehost, which is the best. Their support is good, 24-hour available, everything. No need, like, if you ever need any help, they will fix it for you, and it's cheap. So I'll be putting the link for Bluehost. You can get also discount, very huge discount. You can get in the link below. And the thing, so here's the trick to get people to come and give you their email. You need to give them something in return, right? So in this, we will be needing a giveaway. You have to give them giveaway. It's not anything that could cost you lots of money, or even you can do it for free. You can give them a t-shirt, you can give them a book, you can give them anything in order for them to subscribe. Or you can also give them value, like if you're doing a business which is how to make money on those kind of stuff, you can give them tell them, like, I will send you emails about how to do this, how to do that. Or you can give them books that you've already made, or if you are allowed to give those books to your users, you can do that. Alright, so this is the most important thing we'll need to do, which is giveaway. I'll go in depth right now. First thing, we will need to take a look at the website, which is the WordPress. Alright, okay, so you will need, this is the wordpress.org, which is the WordPress open source. Okay, so you will need a Bluehost. Alright, Bluehost, this is where you can get free domain. You can get free. I also suggest you guys to go with the hosting that you can get multiple domains. So you can get one hosting plan where you can host unlimited domains. That's gonna give you a huge discount as well. So you can get free domain, free SSL certificate, also, which is now even easier. You can also do one-click WordPress install. Like, you won't need to do anything. WordPress inside in Bluehost, one-click install, that's it. I'll be also giving you WordPress themes suggestions if you guys need. If you guys need any WordPress suggestion, there's also a 24-hour support, and very cheap, $2.95 per month. If you use my discount code, you can get even cheaper yearly if you guys go with the year. Okay, so that's for the Bluehost. And the thing that we were talking about the giveaway thing, which is the most important thing, you can use Gleam. So I've been using Gleam for 3 years now. For my website, I used to give away lots of stuff, and I've generated around 28,000 in a month emails using Gleam. Okay, if you got for the Gleam, if you want to collect emails, you need to pay. There's a package where there's a package for there's a payment where monthly you can pay 29, I guess, 40, yeah, for emails. If you want to collect emails, there's autoresponder built in this. If you guys want to, there's a free one which you can use, the free one, which there's no email inside. There's no autoresponder inside this, the free one, the free package, but it can do whatever you guys need. So I suggest you also to go with the payment. If you guys want monthly, it would cost you, it starts from $10 a month. Alright, I will also put the link for this so you can get more discount if I found in the description. That's for this. So what is Gleam? Okay, Gleam, it's like a giveaway thing. Okay, if you want to give away something, then there's a certain things so that people can participate to do, like your Facebook page, subscribe to your Facebook, sign up with our email in order to win this, all those kind of good stuff. So you can give them certain of entries so that they can get into the winning spot. Alright, you will choose the winner based on how until when you want your contest to run. A month, 30 days, 20 days, 5 days if you guys want. And also, if you guys like this video, subscribe. I will also give you the best place where you can post it for free. I'll give you 5 websites, and you can post those 5 websites for free, and you can get around tens of thousands of leads from that website to your giveaway. Subscribe if you guys want that, and comment, and then I will tell you where is it. Alright, so this is about Gleam. You will create a Gleam account. You can start with the free one, which has everything except for emails, Snapchat, those kind of stuff. You won't have them in the email. Alright, and once you do that, then people will enter the contest, follow your Facebook, follow your Twitter, YouTube, everything, and then they can also retweet anything, and they can also tweet something on behalf. Alright, so that's how this works. And okay, so the second thing that I want you to guys understand is there's another plugin that I have. I'm gonna put them in the link in the description, where you know how Dropbox used to do when they started. They couldn't even get more people to download or use their software, right? So they found out about this trick, which they used to give away stuff to people like 100 GB. I think it was back then, it was 600 MB if you guys invite 5 of your friends with a unique link. That's what he used to do, right? And now everyone started doing that by PayPal, all these big companies, Microsoft, Skype, all these big companies started doing the same thing that Dropbox used to do. So this is how you get people to subscribe to you. If you just give them, okay, download this, put your email and we will send you something, that then you will only get this guy or this person, you won't get everyone. So what you need to do is give them a unique invite. Tell them, get 5 of these people, and then you can give them something that your business does for free for certain of like a month or a 2. Or you can tell them, yes, I will give you this course if you get 5 people to come to our business. Okay, that's how you do. That's how people will go make your thing or business viral. That's how you get them to come to your business. Let's say if you get 100 people, and those 100 people, 50% went and took your invite, the unique invite you give them, and then share it to their Facebook, share it to their Twitter, share it to the Snapchat, Instagram, all those social media stuff. Once they did that, and then 20% converted, then those 100 people, how many became? Then it became like 25 people came from those 100 people you gave. So that's how this works. Imagine 1,000, then it will keep growing. Then like you have to give them like this, like bribing them. All right, I know this bribing thing is not good, but so that's how this thing work. If you guys so far enjoying this kind of videos, please do me a favor and subscribe. I'll keep posting more videos. I usually make a video every day, every other day, usually every day. So if you guys like these kind of videos, I will keep posting, and like, comment your suggestions, comment everything you guys expect me to do, and I will put everything that I'm talking about right now in the description, which has some kind of discounts. Alright, so this is how you can get. If you guys want me also to do more information about this thing, like and tell me that you guys want more, and I will tell you, and I will make another video explaining each and everything on demand, like doing it. Alright, so that's been it. I'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys, bye bye.